Are you evaluating SAP SuccessFactors for your human capital management strategy? In this video, I will explain what SuccessFactors is, how it uses AI, which modules matter most, how it integrates with your existing systems, what pricing and implementation usually look like, and the strengths and limitations to consider so you can make a confident decision. Let's start with the basics. SAP SuccessFactors is a cloud-based HCM suite designed to centralize and streamline HR processes end-to-end. It runs as software as a service, so you do not manage servers or upgrades. Instead, you subscribe to modules and benefit from regular releases. The platform is known for its robust talent management capabilities and global compliance support, making it a strong fit for mid-sized to large enterprises with multinational operations. The suite is modular. The foundation is Employee Central, often called Core HR. This is where you manage employee records, organizational structures, positions, time off, and global HR processes. On the payroll side, many organizations choose Employee Central Payroll, which is based on SAP's proven payroll engine. Others integrate SuccessFactors with regional payroll providers if they already have established local solutions or unique compliance needs. For talent acquisition, SuccessFactors Recruiting supports job requisitions, job postings, candidate pipelines, interview scheduling, and offer management. Onboarding helps you orchestrate pre-day one tasks, compliance steps, provisioning, and first-week experiences. AI capabilities assist recruiters with job description generation, candidate matching to requisitions, and ranking, enabling faster shortlisting. Performance and goals helps managers and employees align objectives, track progress, run check-ins, and complete performance reviews. Compensation offers budget modeling, merit and bonus planning, and pay for performance alignment, with guardrails for equity and governance. Learning delivers a corporate LMS with instructor-led and online training, compliance assignments, content integrations, and personalized learning recommendations. Succession and development provides career pathing, talent pools, 9-box calibration, and development planning to reduce critical role risk and grow internal mobility. Analytics is a major differentiator. With people analytics and workforce analytics, you can create operational reports, dashboards, and advanced metrics for headcount, attrition, diversity, recruiting funnel health, time to productivity, pay practices, and skills coverage. Workforce planning lets you model scenarios, budget headcount, and identify capability gaps against strategic plans. Organizations often connect SuccessFactors Analytics to SAP Analytics Cloud for enterprise reporting across finance, supply chain, and HR. SAP Business AI and the Joule copilot are integrated across SuccessFactors to augment HR decision-making. In recruiting, AI drafts job descriptions and highlights potential bias issues for human reviewers to correct. Matching services recommend candidates for roles and roles for candidates based on profiles and inferred skills. The Talent Intelligence Hub maintains a dynamic skills ontology, helping you map competencies to jobs, learning, performance goals, and career paths. In learning, AI recommends courses aligned to skills and role requirements. In performance, AI can help suggest goal phrasing and summarize multi-source feedback for reviewers. In analytics, Joule can surface insights, answer natural language questions, and guide users to relevant dashboards and metrics. These features aim to be relevant, reliable, and responsible, applying enterprise-grade security, access controls, and data privacy principles. Integration is critical for any HCM transformation. SuccessFactors integrates natively with SAP S/4HANA, SAP Identity Services, and SAP Business Technology Platform. It offers APIs, OData services, Integration Center, and package connectors for common HR scenarios like background checks, tax forms, job boards, e-signature, and payroll providers. Many customers deploy a hub-and-spoke model, SuccessFactors as the system of record for people data, feeding payroll, time, IT provisioning, and analytics systems. If you operate in specialized industries or have unique processes, you can extend capabilities on SAP BTP or connect best-of-breed tools without breaking the core model. What does pricing look like? SuccessFactors is typically licensed per employee per month by module. Costs vary based on the number of modules, feature tiers, employee counts, and contract terms. Your total cost of ownership includes more than subscription fees. Plan for implementation partner services, data cleansing and migration, change management, testing, training, integrations, and ongoing support. A single talent module deployment may go live in a few months. A global full-suite rollout is often phased by region or module, sometimes over several quarters, to manage complexity and adoption. Who benefits most from SuccessFactors? Organizations that need strong talent management, consistent global processes, and extensive compliance support. If you have a multinational footprint, complex hierarchies, and a need for deep analytics and planning, SuccessFactors is worth serious consideration. Common alternatives include Workday, Oracle Fusion HCM, UKG Pro, Dayforce, and ADP for payroll-heavy scenarios. Where best fit depends on how you balance configurability, user experience, integration ease, and total cost. Let's address common questions. Does SuccessFactors replace my payroll everywhere? It can with Employee Central Payroll in supported countries, but many customers retain local payroll engines where it makes sense and integrate via standard interfaces. Is reporting difficult? It is powerful and has a learning curve. People Analytics, including story reports, offers robust visualization, especially when paired with governance and training. Most organizations create a central reporting catalog and give HR business partners curated dashboards. How mature is the mobile experience? SuccessFactors mobile apps for iOS and Android support common tasks like approvals, learning consumption, time-off requests, performance check-ins, and goal reviews. Adoption improves when you simplify processes and configure notifications thoughtfully. What about compliance and security? SAP maintains enterprise-grade certifications and controls with role-based access, data masking, auditing, and localization for many countries. You should validate particular regulatory needs such as works councils, data residency, and local document templates during design. Can we customize? SuccessFactors favors configuration over heavy customization. You can tailor workflows, rules, business events, and UI elements within guardrails. For specialized needs, extensions on SAP BTP and side-by-side applications preserve upgrade paths while meeting unique requirements. Strengths to highlight include breadth across the talent lifecycle, global capabilities, embedded AI, extensibility, and the depth of analytics. Limitations to plan for include the need for strong data governance, change management, and administrator skill building to fully realize value. Some customers find that standardizing processes before go live, cleaning legacy data, and investing in enablement deliver the best outcomes. If you are building a business case, quantify productivity gains in recruiting throughput, time to hire, onboarding completion, review cycle time, pay guideline adherence, learning compliance, and manager self-service. Then link talent outcomes to business metrics, retention of critical roles, internal mobility rate, and time to productivity for new hires. In summary, SAP SuccessFactors is a mature, enterprise-ready HCM platform with embedded AI, expansive modules, and strong analytics designed for complex organizations. With the right scope, integration plan, and change strategy, it can unify your HR data, elevate talent decisions, and power a skills-based approach to workforce planning.